Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add or change your profile picture on your Facebook page using a PC, following the latest updates for 2025. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. At the top of the Facebook homepage, you'll see your current profile photo, or your initials in a small circle. Click on this profile photo to access your personal profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture displayed prominently near the top. Hover your mouse over the image, and you'll notice an option to update or change your profile picture. Click directly on your profile picture. A menu will appear. Select Choose Profile Picture. Then, click on Upload Photo. This will open a window where you can browse your computer for the image you want to use. Find the photo you'd like to set as your new profile picture. Select it and click Open. Facebook will upload the image and show you a preview. Now, you can make adjustments to your photo. Use the drag tool to reposition the image so the most important part is centered, since Facebook crops profile pictures into a circle. You can also use the crop tool if needed. For the best quality, Facebook recommends images of at least 320 by 320 pixels. But uploading a 400 by 400 pixel photo ensures your picture looks crisp on all devices. Once you're satisfied with how your profile picture looks, click Save. Your new profile picture is now live on your Facebook page. That's it. You've successfully updated your profile picture on Facebook using your PC. Keeping your profile photo updated is a great way to make your page look fresh and professional. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most of your Facebook experience. Thanks for watching.